Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am about to film one of my possibly hardest videos to date, and that is because I plan to rank my favorite plants. I was going to do top 10, but I've decided upon a top 5 simply because even the top 5 was such a struggle to select and choose. I kept going back and forth. I used probably like 4 or 5 of these sticky notes to come up with my list, and then ended up realizing that I was wasting too much paper and switched to my phone. But that is beside the fact. The point I am trying to make is that it is nearly impossible to choose any amount of your favorite plants when all of them are your favorite. In any case, let's get into it. We are going to start off with my number 1 favorite plant. This one went back and forth for a while. I have to flip it over because literally one has one number 1 and the other has another number 1. My number 1 favorite plant is, of course, the Monstera adansonii. It is right here behind me. It is beautiful. It is the Swiss cheese vine. I love it so much. I'm currently having it trail down as far as I possibly can with the hopes that one day it will go onto my walls and onto my ceiling, and I will have like a little fortress of vines from this Monstera. As you can see, it kind of stringing across from me. I did a video on it months ago when it was a little wee baby, and it has grown so fast. So one of the main reasons why I love this plant is because it grows incredibly fast. It's such a beautiful statement piece. Even though it's becoming more common to see, it still feels so special. So it's my number 1. I think I got something on my mouth. In any case, number 2. We are gonna go with the whalefin. The whalefin snake plant that actually has a baby! How cute is that? There are 2 mamas in this here room. We got mama number 1 and mama number 2. Oh my god, it's like mama number 5, you know? Dun, 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 dun. You know that song? I don't know, maybe that's a weird throwback. Forget I said that. In any case, I love the whalefin. I originally labeled it a shark fin because the nursery that I purchased it at called it a shark fin snake plant. And it seems like online it goes interchangeably. However, the vast majority are like, no, it's a whalefin. So I will also be calling it a whalefin sansevieria. I love snake plants in general just because of how purifying they are for the air. But this one in particular is such a statement piece. It literally, I mean, come on. This is 1 leaf, man. 1 leaf. Well, okay, fine, there's 2 leaves, but you get what I'm trying to say. I mean, it is so beautiful to look at. The details on it are fantastic, and actually, you know, something that I came across on the interwebs as of recent, they have a variegated version of this guy starting to hit the online webitors. Granted, it's like $200 for 1 leaf, essentially, or $179 from what I've seen thus far. You know, whether or not that's worth it, you can be the judge. However, I think it's fantastic to know that there's even more fun plays off of this whalefin that are going to be hitting, hopefully, retail stores maybe in a year or 2, maybe. My number 3 plant might come as a bit of a surprise. At least it came as a surprise for me, simply because it is one plant that was never on any list. You know how you make like a list of plants that you want to purchase, kind of like research the plants, you see them often and you're like, I really would love to see this at a nursery or online. This was never even in my thoughts. I never even knew it existed. However, from the moment that I saw it, both online and in person, it has taken my heart, and it comes in at number 3, and that is the hairy little begonia, the U309. It is fantastic. I did a plant haul video with him from Steve's Leaves wherein I unboxed him, and he has grown tremendously. I have not had a single issue with this plant. It has done nothing but continue growing like crazy. Like if you look in here, actually maybe I'll try to insert a clip of it so that's actually feasible for you guys to see, but it has done nothing but just continue growing and continue looking healthy. I actually really need to transplant him. Just look at how big they're getting. Just because it seems to be outgrowing this pot, and I want it to continue growing and maturing. I don't want it to stay this size because these leaves are supposed to be really, really large once it's a mature plant. I love the metallic detailing, the raspberry lining in the center, and it's so fuzzy and kind of sticky and hairy. It's so weird. How could you not love it? This is getting intense. Like I'm sitting here, I'm looking around and I see all these other plants and trees that I love so incredibly much. Coming in at number 4, we have a calathea. I love calatheas. I have probably upwards of 6 different varieties, to be conservative with that estimate. I think so. Oh, there's a squirrel outside. Oh my God, I'm turning into Indian Ruby. You know, but there are worse things to turn into. In any case, back to the plants. I have quite a couple different varieties. This one is probably one of my favorites. I love the pink striping on the leaves. They look like little paintbrush strokes. The undersides are kind of this burgundy purple color, and it is just so beautiful and so eye-catching. I love it so much, especially because it's I thought I saw a bug. Two of my favorite colors, as you may or may not know, are neon pink and neon green, because it's like alien watermelon, and you can't get anything cooler than that. And this is kind of like reminiscent of that color combination, because it's like a dark forest green and a baby pink, so it's kind of like, well, it's still like alien watermelonish, but it's just, I guess, foresty. Back in June, I did a video with this and a couple other plants that I had picked up at the time. Actually, this one right here, I'll just show you right now, is the Pelea aluminum plant. This was gonna be on the list. See what I mean? It's so difficult because that one's also fantastic. Long story short, both of these plants, and I think maybe one other was in that video. I'll link to it in case you guys wanna see them when they were a baby, just to kind of see the growth that has come of it. I still need to actually repot it, but I haven't because I need to drill a hole in this one, and I thought that these two look really good together. And coming in at number 5, the final plant for this video and for this month is... What? I bet you guys did not see this coming. How fantastic is this? It is a Kalanchoe variety. It is a succulent, and it is so mesmerizing and wibbly wobbly. I actually just posted a series of 3 different pictures of this succulent on my Instagram, which if you don't follow, you should totally do it. I post a lot of random updates of the dogs, of myself, and post pictures of the plants. It's a fun place to be, so feel free and follow. I have the links all in my description, but back to the plant. It is amazing to see the roots on this one. They are so vibrantly hot pink. It is so incredibly exciting. And it shoots out, as you can see, these fantastic air roots all over the place. Originally, it was like right outside of this window that is like beaming on me right now. Usually it's right outside there on the little table I have. Then I moved it to a greenhouse, and then I was like, that is way too far. I need to see it more often. So I'm gonna try its luck on this windowsill. I have him propagating in there. And I actually showed its propagation, and I think my first ever plant tour video. So I'll insert a little clip so that you can see how much it has grown. Since then, there's a little bit of soil on my finger. I soiled myself. Never mind. So there we go. I was able to choose the top 5. Hopefully you guys love the ones that I selected, and look forward to my next selection process, because there are some amazing plants around me. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Give me that little subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.